Welcome to OMG Facts Puzzle Game, the word puzzle game that blows your mind. Each puzzle challenges you to unlock an amazing fill-in-the-blank fact in the shortest span of time. How do you play? Well, I'm going to walk you through a demo right now. At the top of each puzzle, you have a fill-in-the-blank OMG fact answer block that you need to decode. The answer is hidden in the jumble of words you see below, what we call the word field. Now the number in each blank indicates the number of times the correct word for that particular slot repeats within the sea of words below. In this particular case, you see that answer slot 1 has 8 repetitions. So that means the word must repeat 8 times within the puzzle face below. So that must mean it is quite dominant, given that this is a basic puzzle that's quite small. I notice that the word cheetah is repeating frequently. I notice there are other animals in here like giraffe, gopher, turtle. They're not repeating as often. So I'm guessing that if it's 8 and it's that obvious that it's dominating, it's got to be cheetah. So I'm going to start clicking on cheetah. I've done 4, now 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you go. So I would tap on the answer block, I would click on the first blank, and then I would tap on the actual word field again on any word I've already highlighted, and that'll insert it into the block. So if I'm correct, then, and I'll only know once I've actually filled out all of the answer slots and submitted it, then cheetah is the first entry here. So if that's correct, logically speaking, then what other words relate to cheetah, I would think? And perhaps that is in slot number 2. The cheetah is the something something animal. So when I think cheetah, I think fastest. It's known for speed, and if that's correct for the second slot, there must be 4 repetitions. So I'm just quickly clicking here. I do see 4 fastest, so that indicates that unless I see another one, it's presumably the second correct word. And then the third word repeats 6 times, so I'm going to select another color from the answer from the color palette beneath, and I can actually just click on the color picker, and it'll actually switch the color palette. So there are 2 sets of colors you can choose from, and I'm going to stick with yellow for now. And when I think cheetah, fastest, the cheetah is the fastest something animal. I see all sorts of other words like air and fire. They're obviously irrelevant. So it's presumably this word land, which I'm seeing repeat, and it must repeat 6 times. So again, I do see immediately it's quite dominant here. So there's 4, 5, and 6. So if I'm correct, then that would be the answer to this particular puzzle. At any point, you can pull up the word list, and you can actually increment the count. So as you find words, whatever they are, you can just click and increment them up. So if I found numerous instances of bear, I could just increment it. Here I've already entered cheetah because I'd found it 8 times, etc. I'd entered fastest, so you can just increment and decrement as necessary. And I'm going to close this. That's completely unnecessary in terms of solving it. It's just a helpful tool so you can keep track of your words, especially when the puzzles get bigger. So now I'm going to enter these last 2 words here. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, and I'm going to hit submit, and there you go. Puzzle complete. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. This is a basic example of a well-known fact. As you progress through the puzzles, you will encounter facts that absolutely blow your mind. So good luck and enjoy.